Começar a nossa reunião, hoje um dia véspera de feriado, complicado, né? O trânsito em São Paulo está terrível, mas nós temos que cumprir a nossa parte, e nós temos sempre a primeira quarta-feira de cada mês para isso, depois não tem mais, então é complicado. Conforme a gente tinha conversado no mês passado, mês retrasado, porque mês passado não houve a reunião em função do Congresso, de poder falar um pouquinho sobre o que nós vimos lá na Turquia. Né? Então, nós temos ali 2 vídeos. O primeiro vídeo que foi rodado pela organização, chamando o pessoal para o Congresso e mostrando ali já os apicultores, como é que eles... os apicultores, principalmente os que praticam apicultura migratória, como é que eles ficam, como é que eles, lá no apiário, né? Quer dizer, alguns têm barraca, outros têm trailer, outros têm caminhão, quer dizer, nós vamos ter uma noção geral nesse primeiro vídeo. Depois no segundo, também são rápidos, no segundo nós temos então a comemoração dos 120 anos de realização de congressos internacionais pela APIMONDIA. Então, a APIMONDIA começou lá em 1897, o primeiro congresso, e são 120 anos. Na época de guerra e alguns problemas, interrompeu. Na verdade, a cada 2 anos ocorre, nós participamos agora do 45º. Se a gente fosse fazer a conta fria, seria 90 congressos realizados, mas no período de 120 anos. Né? Então, é isso que nós queremos mostrar. E vamos falar um pouco sobre o que é essa apicultura na Turquia, não é? Para que a gente tenha uma noção naquele país com aquelas características. Não é? E eu acho que vamos sair daqui envergonhados.
Anatolia is the motherland of 22% of the honeybee races of the world. The ancient tablets and coins, as well as the articles of the Hittite constitution, dating back to 2663 years from the present, document the fact that the motherland of bees is Anatolia. While the mountains of Anatolia are covered with snow, flowers in the plains blossom with colorful pollens, while the flowers in the plains wither and the gradual inflorescence is seen towards the mountains. In the passes from the plains into the mountainous areas, the inflorescence period of herbaceous and woody plants starts. The excessive consumption of mad honey, which actually reduces tension, may cause negative impacts over the human beings. The chestnut honey, having a high rate of antibiotics, is remarkably consumed in Turkey. The honeydew honey, 92% of which is produced in Turkey, regulates the stomach and intestines. The cultivars and fruit flowers in the plains and plantations play a vital role in the lives of the bees. (10,482) of the world plant species are cultivated in Turkey. While 3,000 endemic plants are found in the European continent, this number is 3,700 in Anatolia. Such diversity and richness of plants may only be found in Anatolia. 57,000 families are involved with the maintenance of 6 million beehives in Turkey, housing such a rich flora. Honey, pollens and propolis of different colors and perfumes are produced out of such diverse plants. The amino acid, vitamin and mineral values of each plant differs from the other. Marehalina hellenica, whose habitat is the trunk of the Calabrian pines specific to Mediterranean climate, emits an excretion, and such excretion is collected by the bees. 92% of the production of honeydew honey is conducted in Turkey, and this production continues between August and April. While settled apiculture was pervasive in Turkey until 1950s, itinerant apiculture became widespread owing to the growth of vehicles and opening of new highways. Bees are brought to higher mountains at the shores of Black Sea, Aegean and Mediterranean following the spring, whereas they are taken to the pine fields in the Aegean and Mediterranean in August. Currently, 57,000 farmers make their living by producing 94,000 tons of honey each year, with 6 million hives. While 50% of the bees are taken to the pine field in Turkey, 30% of them are taken to the Black Sea and the Mediterranean to spend the winter. (92% of the honeydew honey of the world is produced in Turkey. Such honey regulates the stomach and intestinal diseases. A great majority of the produced honey is exported into Europe. Beehives have been developed in line with itinerant apiculture, and multi-purpose hives have thus been produced. While the beekeepers used to live in tents and huts in the beginning, at present they have vans to raise their living conditions. The beekeepers currently benefit from the solar energy at the mountains and operate the lights, televisions, freezers and honey filtering machines. Isolated regions are formed for the rehabilitation of the bee races, and the queens at desired races are grown by artificial insemination. Currently, 2 million queens are needed in Turkey. recently growing scientific work and TV broadcastings in Turkey have helped to rapidly increase the pollen, propolis and royal jelly production. The adoption and use of such products by the community has a positive impact over the health of the community. Honey is uncapped by hygienic devices and filtered in automated chromium electrified machinery and then put to the disposal of the community. 94,000 tons of honey are produced in Turkey annually. The establishment of the Turkish Association of Beekeepers in 2003 has helped to register the entire beekeepers in Turkey, and the plates have been nailed on the hives and the hives containing bees have been enumerated. By means of Bereket TV supported by the association, the beekeepers in Turkey have been communicated and a contribution has been provided to their training. Let us meet in Istanbul in 2017, a city converging diverse cultures, a city that no one can get enough of watching due to its historic fabric and amazing views.